Honestly, like I kind of felt like I was falling down the bleachers for a while, and now I feel like I'm at a starting line, like I'm ready to go now. So it really helped me focus. I don't know, like the process of the presentation led me there. So I liked the structure and the process and the handout, and yeah.
I love how you make the writer uh, dig in and make split second decisions. I really do. I think it was perfect. I really don't have any suggestions on how you make it better. It's up to the individual on the other end of your screen to make it better for themselves. You just provide that outlet, and it's a great outlet.
Would you attend another workshop?
Absolutely.
Would you attend another workshop hosted by myself if I was to have another one?
Oh, yeah, most definitely.
My question is, what did you like best about the workshop?
Well, Ms. Miriam, I would say that the best thing about the workshop is the feedback that I've gotten from introducing my book to you. You and Ms. Linda did a wonderful job with providing great feedback that I'm definitely going to incorporate in my book.
And the last question is, would you attend another workshop?
Most definitely. I really appreciate your guys' feedback, and I think it was very productive. So definitely,
Thank
yes.
you.
Well, I really enjoyed the fact that because it was such a core participation, just the two of us and you, it was really intimate. I didn't have a lot of people to hide behind, so I had to just get busy and get on board. So I thought that was very powerful, frightening, and effective. You gave us that opportunity. How bad do you want this? Here's another writer. You're really willing to hear from another writer, or aren't you?
Different people have different questions. They're in different, phases of the process, because I also wanted this to be, I wanted it to be for people who thinking all the way up to people who are already published. So I said I wanted the workshop to be where if a person hasn't read anything, or even if they're already published, that they can still get knowledge, but also share the knowledge with other writers. So I wanted to be a writers helping writers. I didn't want it to be like a webinar where it's just like me talking and I wanted to be inclusive, where we're truly networking and bringing in that writers helping writers, because there's some people that just know certain things, they've been through certain things, or they can or they had bad experiences and can be like, hey,
don't let the book die in you.
Don't let the book die in you.